What up, you guys? It is Wednesday, November 30th. My current portfolio is at $18,657. I'm down $59 right now. Earned dividends is at 340. So the market went up today. Earlier this morning, I did make a few buys, just very little. I added Apple around, the price was around 140 in the morning, and then Tesla was around 184. Just buying small. And then yesterday, I believe, bought some O and then Mara, $100 worth in each one. Um, and then yeah, that's pretty much it as far as buys. Haven't really been buying much. Microsoft, I've added $20, just dollar cost averaging. Still at 7,000 buying power, around there. I still think the market's gonna drop pretty soon, but yeah, we'll see. If not, um, I'm I'm still gonna be holding these positions right here, and then I'll have some buying power if it does drop. But yeah, I don't know. We'll see. And then that's pretty much it. Still adding 300 every week. If you guys got any questions, leave a comment down below. Subscribe, leave a like, and yeah, I'll see you guys next week. Peace.